Welcome to 30 All Saints Close. This is a 3-bedroom semi-detached house. As we enter, we are welcomed with a warm lounge. This is a really lovely space and it has been well maintained and has some really special features like the accented wood log burning stove, giving the space a really cosy atmosphere. The lounge connects seamlessly to a bright kitchen diner. The kitchen has a matching range of wall and base units on 3 walls, with solid oak work surfaces. Shelving units really make this a homely kitchen, making use of all the space. This kitchen feels extremely open, with views into the connected diner and onto the garden outside. Just off the kitchen is a useful downstairs shower room suite, with a tiled shower and a vanity unit with some handy cupboard space. As we pass through the kitchen into the diner, we have a really useful and bright space for dining, as well as ample space for storage and lots of lovely shelving. We also have these amazing bifolding doors that lead out into the garden. This garden is quite spectacular and has been really well looked after. It has a really sweet decked seating area as well as a gorgeous lawn to tend to. Off-road parking is provided to the front of the property. There is also an added benefit of an en-bloc garage and an electric charging point. The house is in great decorative order throughout, and as we make our way upstairs we are presented with 3 bedrooms and a modern family bathroom. Up on the landing here we have some great wall space, full of potential to make the house really your own. The first bedroom is beaming with light and has a lovely big window overlooking the rear garden. It is also kitted out with some great built-in wardrobes, with shelving and lots of hanging space. The views from this bedroom allow us to point out the convenient location of this property, within walking distance to Whitstable railway station and the town of Whitstable, with its traditional charms, arts, culture, maritime history, and an array of individual retailers and eateries. The Cathedral City of Canterbury is only 8 miles away as well. The next bedroom also benefits from a big window and is in great condition, with views over the front of the house. The views from this bedroom allow us to point out your off-road parking, as well as the en-bloc garage and the electric charging point. There is lots of room for cupboard space, as well as potential shelving units in here. This 3rd bedroom is currently being used as an office, but it could easily accommodate either option. And finally, the modern family bathroom suite has a bath shower unit, really sweet partially tiled walls and a frosted window for some privacy. Do get in touch if you would like to hear more about this property.